DigitalOcean Spaces is an object storage service where you can store and serve files securely. It is simple to create a Spaces access key which only allows authorized users to access the bucket and its contents. This is useful to ensure only select customers and clients are able to add, read, download, or delete files. We're going to use a previously created DigitalOcean Space. To create a key, go to the API tab in the sidebar. Here you can manage your various tokens and keys, including API keys and OAuth tokens. From here, you can create a Spaces access key. Click Generate New Key, choose a key name, and the Spaces key and secret will be listed here. Remember to save both. Spaces also gives you the option to rename or regenerate the key from this list. Let's look at the DigitalOcean Space we'll use with this key. Go to the Spaces tab in the sidebar. From here, click through to the space you intend to use where you'll see your list of files and settings. Managing the permissions will be under File Listing. Click Edit. It will drop down two options, Restrict File Listing and Enable File Listing. Restrict File Listing is the privately accessible option where only those with active Spaces access keys can access the bucket. Enable File Listing is the public option where anyone with the endpoint for the bucket or the file can access it. These are default set for any newly uploaded files. For now, we're going to select Restrict File Listing and save. When you hover over the file name, you can see the file's current permissions. This is currently set to private. In the drop-down, you can set file-specific permissions. Let's click Manage Permissions. There are the private and public options, so for this file, we're going to set this to public. For publicly accessible files, all you need is a link to the file as can be found under Quick Share. Through Quick Share, you can even choose the time you want the link to be available. If we use the same steps to access a file we've set to private, it won't work. To access the file, we need to use the AWS Signature Authorization header with the key, secret, region, and service set. Once we have that, we can retrieve the file. That was how you can manage your spaces and files with the DigitalOcean Spaces access key. Leave any questions in the comments and happy building!